You build the landing page, maybe you even spend the money on the design, but still no leads, no appointment, no clients. Why? Because most people build the landing page like decoration, but landing pages are psychology. Every single element or section on the landing page has a particular job to do. A headline has a job, a video has a job, a testimonial has a job, CTA has a job, and when one part fails, the whole landing page starts leaking conversion. So in this video, I'm going to break down complete anatomy of a landing page and explain what each section actually does. First, let's understand what a landing page actually is. A landing page is not just a website. A landing page is a conversion system. Its purpose is simple: take a stranger and move them forward toward an action. And this action could be booking a call with you, or watching a VSL, or just sending you a message. And that's it. Whole landing page has just one big goal. Every element on the page exists to help that happen. So let's start with the first element: headline. This is one of the most important parts of your landing page. Why? Because this is usually the first thing that people read, and within a few seconds the visitor should understand who this is for, what problem you solve, and what outcome is possible. If the headline is confusing, people leave. For example, instead of writing "Welcome to my wellness website," okay, "Welcome to my wellness website." Believe me, a lot of people do this mistake. Just really write this thing. Okay. So instead of writing this, what you should be actually writing here. So let's say you are a coach who helps people reduce the stress into their life. So what you write here as a headline: see how people over 40 are reducing their stress naturally without side effect of medication. Now it is really specific. Now people understand it immediately. It's for me. I'm people over 40. So you see, people over 40, this is to help people say like this is for me. And then what is their problem? Stress. So what we do? Reduce the stress. Okay. So this is again for them big benefit. How? Naturally. No side effect at all. So now you can compare these two headlines, like "Welcome to my wellness website." So boring, no specificity, no big benefit, no practical application. And this one has everything. We can pump it up, we can improve it more, but I just made it, just spontaneously. So the next element on the landing page is a video, or sometime we can also use an image depending on the goal we are trying to achieve. So this section helps people experience your work visually, and honestly videos work extremely well. Why? Because people can see you, hear you, understand your philosophy, and start trusting you. Especially in wellness, trust matters a lot. Sometimes one good value video can outperform the entire beautiful website. Now let's talk about the feature and benefit. Feature and benefit. So your service that you are providing, your offer has certain features. Okay, everything has a feature, and then simply you need to convert those feature into benefit, because people understand more the language of benefit instead of features. So you simply create the bullet points and write the big benefit of your service or your product that people can get if they opt in, because people want to know how does this improve my life. For example, instead of saying 4 hypnosis sessions, this is a feature. Okay, you can say sleep better and reduce anxiety naturally. This is benefit, and it connects emotionally. So the next section is credibility. Okay, and this is where you reduce the doubt with testimonials, case studies, before and after screenshots, client stories. People trust other people more than marketing claims, especially online where trust is extremely low. So credibility becomes extremely important. And the next section is expectation manager. Expectation manager. Okay, Now, what it does, this is your strongest unique angle. Now, this is really important section. Expectation manager. Most people completely ignore this, and because of that, they attract the wrong clients. You need to clearly explain who this is for, who this is not for, what results are realistic, and what effort is required. For example, if someone thinks your wellness program is magic, you need to clarify expectations properly. Otherwise, refund problem happen, trust breaks, bad clients come in. And the final section is call to action. We also call it CTA, call to action. What you actually want people to do, like book an appointment, watch a VSL, or send message. One clear action, not Instagram, YouTube, blog, Facebook, and 20 other buttons everywhere. Too many options reduce conversions. So this was the big picture. And one more important thing, even the best landing page does not work without traffic. Okay, people still need to see it. That traffic can come from organically from your content, from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or even referrals, and it can also come from the paid advertising. So landing page is not a magic, it's a part of complete client acquisition system. So if you are a wellness coach, hypnosis coach, naturopath, or holistic healer, and you want help building landing pages and systems that actually generate appointments and clients, then you can contact us below. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to go much deeper into headline, landing page design, CTS psychology, offers, trust elements, and conversion systems. So follow this page, subscribe this channel if you want to understand how digital client acquisition works.